Good morning, Frenny, and welcome to the Hike with my channel. Ayan, lalakad tayo dito sa may pathway, tsaka shared with bikeway. Dito yan sa may Ayala Vermont. Kaya pag may time kayo, no? I know it's hard to be healthy, but let's try. Alam niyo naman, Frenny, life is too short, so we have to enjoy it.